I'm going to show you the right way to apply your masks. Do I apply it on dry and dirty hair or wet and clean? Wet and clean. To get the most out of it, we are going to apply it in sections. You are going to take an amount like this of your mask and we are going to apply it like this using this movement. We don't touch the scalp, okay? Unless it's a special scalp mask, which are usually scalp only. With the mask, at what point do I detangle? Look, masks tend to loosen the hair, so you can do it while you apply it or just before rinsing. An additional tip that has worked great for me to get the most out of it is to apply heat caps. How long do the masks have to be left on? The time indicated on the bottle. It is very important that you respect the application time of the masks. After this, you're going to rinse very well. Conditioner yes or conditioner no after the mask. That will depend on how your hair feels. If it feels soft, silky, and generally fine, don't use conditioner. On the other hand, if you feel that your hair is still very dry, not soft, and has no movement, use conditioner. And that's it. Enjoy the super results and benefits of your mask.